What's going on, guys? Welcome back to CNR Reviews. E-Rock here, and I am going to review this this thing I bought. It is a dryer lint vacuum attachment cleaner. So we're gonna open this up and see what it is, and then we're gonna test it. All right, now I got this on, this is another one of those items that I saw an advertisement for on Instagram. It's made out of rubber, I think, and plastic, basically. So, and what it does, it hooks on to the end of your vacuum cleaner hose. Okay, got a little instruction thing here, which I probably won't use. This is a pretty simple setup. And obviously this is for those hard to reach places in your dryer vent where the lint gets stuck. So down inside where you pull the lint tray out, where you clean it out, the filter thing, beyond that, because lint gets around that thing and gets stuck down in your dryer between the track that goes out to the rear where the exhaust vent is, okay, where it goes out of your house. So this is supposed to get down in those cracks and suck all that stuff out. It's actually a really good invention. Something we've needed for a while. We've had this dryer. It's a fairly new dryer, but probably about 4, maybe 5 years now. And, so it's definitely built up. And I changed I clean the dryer vent thing out all the time. And I actually use a shop vac on the other end, like on the outside on the vent. I try to keep that clean as well. Because, in case you don't know, dryer vents that are clogged up can catch on fire. And that stuff, that vent or that lint stuff is very flammable when it's dry. So when it sits in there and builds up, it's kind of like having, combustible thing in your dryer. So you can see the makeup here. The way they made that on the end. Now this is very durable, thick rubber, but it's very flimsy. It's soft, not flimsy, but pliable. All right, so the way this thing comes in the box like this tube is in here. You just take this out. You just push it up through the bottom, take it out, and then you stick this down here. All right, I had it backwards when I did it the first time. So, and then those little that little ring you adjust for your breather holes. So if this gets clogged up, it'll still, it won't back up your vacuum. Okay, let's go try it out. So as you saw, that was a lot of lint left in that dryer. Now we haven't done, cleaned it out like that ever. So in the last 5 years, and you can see how much lint gets around or, beyond your lint catch filter. So definitely worth the purchase. This thing was $15 on Amazon when I got it. I'll have a link in the description. So yeah, very happy with this thing. It will definitely get its use. Appreciate you guys watching. If you're new, hit the like, subscribe, and the bell, and I'll see you next time.